McRibs, y'all. Much better than McDonald's. But anyway, let's get it. And oh yeah, don't forget to give me that LSS. That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And hey, hit that notification bell and become part of the LSS family, y'all. Because every time you come on this channel right here, we always gonna have something tasty on tap for you. So let's go ahead first and foremost, get an onion in our smoker and let that onion smoke so we get that good smoke taste from that onion on our sandwich. Then we're gonna go ahead and take our ground pork and shape it into our patties, y'all. Making sure that we shape it into the shape of the bread that we're using. Now I'm using hoagie rolls, so I'm shaping it like a hoagie, y'all. And once we get it shaped the way that we like it, we gonna go ahead and rain on it with that good pork barbecue rub, y'all. Now, you can use your own rub or whatever rub you like, but use your favorite rub, y'all. And of course, we had to put that rub on both sides, y'all. Then straight to that smoker. And we gonna let these smoke until they reach an internal temp of around 100 degrees. And once we get that 100-degree temp, we gonna start basting it with that barbecue sauce, y'all. Just continuously basting it so we get that good barbecue sauce flavor, just like that McRib got, y'all. And once we hit 150 to 165, depending on how you like your pork, we gonna get it out of that smoker. And we gonna go ahead and get that onion out too. Cause you can just use the raw onion like they do on the McRib. But I just think that smoked onion is so much better. So let's go ahead and build our sandwich. Now we gonna go ahead and get our pork patty on, and of course our smoked onions. And then you know that McRib got them pickles, so I had to have it. And look at what we got, y'all. A beautiful, tasty rib sandwich. Oh my goodness, it was so good and smoky. That's what you're looking for. But anyway, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.